In this lesson, we are going to add admin menu to the header. Also, we are going to create two protected routes for regular user and admin users. When user click on admin pages, we check the authentication, and if user is logged in, we redirect user to the admin page. To get the source code of this lesson, go to the repository and in the commit section, find video 36, create admin menu. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to create admin menu. First of all, I'm gonna create protected route components inside the components folder. Go to the components, right click, new file, set file name to protected route.js. We're gonna use this route in the app.js in the route section. Type RFC, press tab to create the protected route. From the props, get children and use this conditional return. If user info exists, return children, it's children. Otherwise, navigate user to the sign-in screen. Navigate, control space, press tab to import it from React Router DOM. And for user info, we need to get it from the React context. Like always, we use context store and extract state from it. Then from state, extract user info. Control space, import it from React, and from store, import it from /store. Let's use protected route in the app.js. Find a route that needs authentication like profile. And for the element, instead of rendering profile, wrap it inside protected route. Press enter and type protected route, press tab, and then move the profile screen inside protected route and save the code. Copy this and go for other routes that need authentication like order. Copy this, paste it here. The closing one should be here. This is order screen and the last one is order history. Let's copy, paste, cut the closing one, move it after order history screen and save it. Great. Let's check the result. I'm going to go to the profile and press enter. I will be redirected to sign-in screen. So it works. If I try to go to the order history and press enter, it works too. Let's log in as an admin. As a last part of this lesson, I'm gonna add admin menu. Go back to app.js and find the header menu here if user info exists. After this, have another condition. If user info exists and user info.isAdmin is true, then I'm going to render a nav dropdown. Set the title to admin, ID to admin nav dropdown, and close this component. Inside that, the first item, the first menu is dashboard. It's a link container to /dashboard, and the text inside this link is dashboard. We're gonna add 3 other items. They are products, orders, and users. And the links are product list, order list, and user list. We will implement this part in next lessons. Save the code and let's check the result. Awesome. Here I am admin. And when I click on it, I can see admin menus. Let's implement dashboard screen, just the UI, not the implementation of it. Go to the screens folder, right click, new file, dashboard, screen.js. Type RFC and press tab to create dashboard screen. Go to the app.js. In the route section, scroll down. At the very end and right before the home screen, I'm going to define a section for admin routes. Wrap it inside curly bracket. Let's define a route for dashboard. Define a route. The path is /admin/dashboard, and the element, it's not dashboard screen. I'm going to wrap it inside admin route. And then inside it, dashboard screen, press tab to import it. Save the code and close the route. Save it And here we need to implement admin route. It is very similar to the protected route. Go to the protected route here, copy and paste, rename it to admin route. We need to have another check in the user in this line. If user info exists and user info dot is admin is true, then redirect user to the protected section. Otherwise, redirect to the sign-in page. Then rename protected route here to admin route, save the code, go back to app.js and press Ctrl space, import admin route from ./component/admin route. Save the code and let's check the result. Log in as an admin, click on dashboard. It's /admin/dashboard. Scroll up to find the nav dropdown. Make it /admin/dashboard. Paste, paste, and paste. Get rid of extra forward slash and save the code. Let's check the result. Click on admin, click on dashboard. Awesome. We get redirected to the dashboard screen. In the next lesson, we implement the charts and the information box in the dashboard screen for this e-commerce website. Let's review what we did in this lesson. We created two components to protect the routes for logged in user, regular user like customers, and for admin user. If they are not authenticated, they will be redirected to the sign-in screen. We use them in the app.js to protect routes from accessing unauthorized user, and also we create a dashboard screen to test the result. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.